The Perfect Pet, Russell Punter, illustrated by Mike and Carl Gordon. Nell doesn't care for shopping. Dad, are we finished yet? She sees a store that looks more fun. Can I go in and pick a pet? Here's Tess and Ted. They're glad to help with pets both small and big. A dog is a lot of fun. A pup can beg and dig. Dad's not so sure. Dogs make a mess, and who would clean it up? Nell begs and pleads, but Dad won't budge. No, Nell, not a pup. Well, how about a snake, says Ted. Sid's very friendly, miss. Sid ties himself around Dad's neck. Pat him, let him hiss. A parrot snatches at Dad's cap and perches on a rack. No need to worry, sir, says Tess. Ted can get it back. Dad helps Ted chase the parrot. They just can't jump high enough. Ted tries to catch it in a net. Dad and Ted huff and puff. Nell sees a bat hang upside down. It looks so very still. Dad thinks there's something wrong with it. Tess, tell us, is it ill? He's only sleeping, sir, says Tess. Bats do a lot of that. I think he's really cute, says Nell. Dad, can I get a bat? Nell counts out all her money, but that's not enough, says Tess. Then Ted finds something cheaper. Look, a bug on a log is less. Is this the pet you want, asks Dad. Nell nods and smiles. You bet. That was the greatest shopping trip. I had fun and I got a pet.